guys, it's G-Fox and Red Dragon here, and today we are reacting to Reaper's Blossom and the other thing, which is Symmetra's something? I can't remember. And let's get into the video in 3, 2, 1, bam. Play the game Twister Grim as Reaper. Look at that battle over there. What does that mean? May, Genji, Roadhog. What? It's raining men. It's raining men. It's raining men. Wait, hold on. Look at everyone. They're like, what? It's raining men. Oh, Genji won't do that. Bam. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna let myself get absolutely soaking wet. It's raining men. Hallelujah. It's raining men. Every special man. Oh my goodness. There's the Twisted Grim. Alright. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna go back to the video that. Alright guys, so I just found it and let's get into the video.
You were not meant for greatness.
Okay.
How was that? Did I sound like her? Guys?
What?
Anyone?
The heck?
I think I sounded like her.
The heck, man. Valkyrie Mercy. Oh! Get her! Oh, Team Guzma. Beat him up! Get Soldier 76. Get him! Oh, there you go. May! Oh, Junkrat. Oh dear. What? Don't choke her by the neck. Oh, give her back her broom. What? Oh, what? That's. I got it. What happened? Jigglypuff? Oh, there she goes. Don't slack off. Get that. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh, get Reaper. McCree. Oh dear. Oh. What kind of the heck is that? Get him! Yeah, do like that. Oh, another soldier. Wow. What? Yes, Roadhog. It's Roadhog. The heck are you? Raven. Sombra. Naruto. Alright, so I'm gonna stop here because I'm running out of time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out, guys.